Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you guys can easily fix touchscreen not responding on your REALME GT 7T. So first, what you guys need to do is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can solve many problems with the touchscreen. So let me show you guys how you can do that. Basically unlock your phone. Now hold the power button and the volume up button and keep on holding until the phone restarts by itself. Now as you guys can see, the screen went totally black and the phone is now restarting. So this may fix your problem, but if not, then what you guys can do next is, if you're using a screen protector or a phone case, check if they are pressing on the screen or causing interference. Sometimes they can cause the touchscreen to be unresponsive, especially if they're not properly fitted, or they're just, let me show you guys, or if they're just fitted wrong. So for example, my screen protector is working fine, but if somebody just used it wrong, like they pressed it on the screen, or sometimes they didn't fit it properly and it's not how it's supposed to be, then it may be an issue for the touch screen. So now what you guys can do is clean the screen, because dirt, oil or moisture can affect the touch screen's performance. So try to clean it gently with the microfiber cloth. Let me show you guys how. Basically, all you have to do is just do something like that. Try and wipe it all off. Of course, only use the microfiber cloth to remove any smudges or dirt. And now what you guys can do is check for software updates. Make sure that your phone is up to date, because sometimes bugs can cause the touchscreen to stop working properly. So go over to System and Update, go to Software Update, and now check if you're on the latest version of your REALME. Now, if you are running the latest version, that's good. But if you're not, then I recommend you updating your software, because as I said before, bugs can cause the touchscreen to stop working properly. Now, what you guys can do is check for water or moisture. So if your phone has been exposed to water or moisture, the touchscreen may become unresponsive in many ways. So in such a case, then turn off your phone immediately, then try and place it in a dry area or in a bag of rice to absorb all of it, if you suspect, of course, water damage. Now, what you guys can do is check for display issues, because sometimes the display is cracked or damaged, and if it is, then the touchscreen might not respond properly. So look for any visible damage. If the screen is physically damaged, then you might need it to get it repaired or replaced. So if nothing works, then you can perform a factory reset. This will erase all your data, so always make sure to back it up first. Let me show you guys how. Basically, we go over to System and Update in the settings. Now go to Backup and Reset, click Backup and Migrate, and here choose one of two options, which is the clone phone, where you transfer the data from another device to the new one, or from this device to another one, and of course the local backup. So here what you guys can do is click Reset Phone. Now click Erase All Data. Here enter your password. Now click Clear, and then your phone will be brought back to the default settings. So if the problem still is there after trying all of those solutions, then the issue might be hardware related. So in that case, visit an authorized REALME service center for more professional diagnosis and even a repair, if it's recommended by the professional technicians. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.